What if I told you that the most Earth-like world in our solar system isn't even a planet? Meet Titan, Saturn's largest moon. This fascinating celestial body has lakes, rivers, weather, and a thick atmosphere. But here's the kicker. It's all made of methane and ethane, not water. It's like Earth, but in a parallel universe where everything's just a bit different. Now you might be wondering, why should we care about some moon orbiting Saturn? Well, Titan is no ordinary moon. It's the only moon in our solar system with a dense atmosphere. Titan has a methane cycle similar to Earth's water cycle. Imagine methane rain falling from orange skies, filling up lakes and rivers of liquid natural gas. It's like a sci-fi movie, except it's real and it's right in our cosmic backyard. Scientists believe that Titan's conditions today might be similar to early Earth before life began. That means studying Titan could give us clues about how life started on our own planet. The largest methane sea on Titan, Kraken Mare, is roughly the size of the Caspian Sea on Earth. How cool is that? So, how do we study this alien world? That's where NASA's Dragonfly mission comes in. It's not just another space probe, it's a nuclear-powered drone that will fly through Titan's alien skies. Dragonfly is set to launch in 2028, and will reach Titan in 2034. Once there, it won't just roll around like Mars rovers. Thanks to Titan's low gravity and dense atmosphere, Dragonfly will be able to fly, hop, and glide across the surface. It's going to cover more ground than all Mars rovers combined, exploring Titan's dunes, craters, and icy surfaces. We're talking about covering over 175 kilometers. That's more distance than all Mars rovers combined. Dragonfly isn't just another space mission. It's a flying laboratory on a methane moon orbiting a gas giant. It's going to search for complex organic molecules, the building blocks of life, and potentially unlock the secrets of how life began. In 2034, Dragonfly will show us Titan like never before. Not from orbit, not from a lander, but from the skies of another world. The countdown to this incredible journey has already begun.